So, we arrived at Bad Frankfurt, and this is a home gig for me. My friends will be here, and let's just see how they will like it. Here's our tour bus. Such a huge thing. And I will be going to session music with Tetzel in a few to get a couple of things that broke on tour and to get a couple of spare guitar picks. It's a really nice day here, and I think we got into the groove right now during the tour, so it's amazing. One of my favorite stores ever. They are great people. Lots of guitars. These. So, welcome to Bachka. We are sound checking in a few. Hamburg! We arrived in Hamburg, our main game city, because also Emily is working here. Here she is, it's her last day. We're going to miss her a lot, and Isis is coming today. You know Isis already. So we are now getting some shorts for me because 2 times coffee got on my pants. First time I was responsible, and now Tetzel was pretty much funny and thought he would prank me a bit, and then the second coffee got on my other pants, and this is stupid. So here we go. At least Markthalle is pretty much in a central location, and there is a shopping center nearby, which we are going to right now. And yeah, always be prepared for stupid people. Shopping! No, seriously, this is so weird. Like, most of the time the venues are nowhere, and now we're somewhere, and let's just celebrate that. How do you like your new hairstyle?
A lot, because with a beard I would be like a Viking. Without beard I'm Lungstroop, the Pipi Lungstroop. Langstrom.
Don't do this. You look nice. You look relaxed.
Completely nice.
So we don't get Tetzel's good morning, everyone. Yes, Stacy's foot. Ooh. Very pretty.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Look at this side here.
We're in Switzerland.
Zurich. Beautiful Zurich in Switzerland.
Yes. It's absolutely beautiful. How long has it been since you've been here?
I never been to Zurich.
I don't remember exactly where I was, but I played Z7, wherever Z7.
Probably, yeah. Last year I was there.
Yeah, I love Z7. It's the best venue.
Drying the wardrobe in the sun. Always very important, otherwise you step in some wet clothes again. Here are our friends from Seven Kingdoms.
Guacamole time.
She is so caring of us. We love guacamole, and we got some of these here. So, oh my fucking god!
Oh my god!
Very convincing.
Yes.
Das verstehe ich. Ein glücklich live.
The water is coming with.
Wrong Kafka. So now we are basically unloading the trailer and try to get stuff on different vehicles so that we can get there in time. So Kirsten is now sorting the merch, what she normally does at the venue. We need to improvise.
In the parking lot.
In the parking lot of the wrong Kafka. Yay! Yeah.
La graffetta. Ah, break. Ah, dai.
Raise your hammer! emotions. We lost the homes. We'll never lose our faith. The world we know, a burden on your shoulders. Just to seal our fate. Only start a field of work. You are standing on it. Give us freedom. Raise your hammer. The figure won't be seized. Raise your the lion strikes. Serpents killed in a final fight. By the man whom you must die.
Saying lots of thanks to everyone involved in this tour, our first European tour ever with all for metal. Still got the memorabilia here. Something very, very, very important in our band history, and I think this was one of the happiest periods of my life ever. So at this point, huge thanks to Windrose and Seven Kingdoms for being an amazing tour family. Thank you to Decibel Touring for setting everything up for our first tour. Thank you to our bus drivers who just got us from city to city unharmed. I just remember a very adventurous parking situation in Stuttgart where it took like an hour maneuvering the bus in the very narrow or like a very tiny street. This was basically magic. Then thank you to all the roadies involved. Cheers to Italy for this matter. And thank you to Hard Impact Music for providing us with the most chill TM there is on this planet. Hi everyone, and cheers from our tour bus. At this point I want to say thank you so much for all the support on Patreon. You guys are the best team ever. If you want, you can check out my other videos here or click subscribe, hit the bell and select all if you want to get notified about all my future uploads. Stay tuned and rock on.